Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're doing a tablet A7. This one came to me with a broken screen, but she also told me it didn't start as well. So actually right here I'm testing the battery out. I saw a little bit of juice but not a lot. Went ahead and got the power supply, put it to the battery for a couple of seconds, probably about a minute total. It did recharge the battery, so I didn't have to replace the battery, just had to replace the screen. With that being said, enjoy the video. Right here, you can see the battery does have pull tabs for the adhesive. I cannot stress enough, please go slow on this part. I went a little too fast myself and broke both tabs, I believe both sides a couple of times. Well, I had to use heat from the front. Since I wasn't reusing the glass, it was okay to put more heat on the front. Also playing cards to help slide underneath. But yeah, please go slow. If you go slow, shouldn't have much of a problem. But if you don't, it might be a headache. You can tell from at this point, I finally learned my lesson. I'm going very slow on this point, and it started coming off way easier than before. So yeah, like I said, just go slow and it'll come off. this point, I wanted to test everything to make sure everything worked before I put any of that adhesive on. So once I find out everything works fine, sealed it up with some adhesive, call it a day. Once it's all sealed, I will put some clips on it to hold each corner to make sure it's sealed perfectly fine. But yeah, there it goes. Please subscribe and thumbs up, and hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, peace.